Warning: the following program contains stunts performed by professional degenerates. Viewer discretion is advised.
Ow, what the?
This is MTV Loving My Crib.
Mias Customs!
Rubber with the glass, or put the rub.
What do you push it in?
When you put the rope, the plastic will come out, and then you push in.
Where do you put the rope?
The plastic and the
What plastic?
On the rubber.
Oh, on the rubber. Okay, I'm like.
Min when Jua?
but outside and the rope and around it.
You want to come help us?
You said no.
He said not now. Okay, because I have no idea what we're doing.
All right, so couldn't get the window in. Apparently, there's this trick that you use a string to kind of help guide it in. So what you do is you kind of get your string, and then you wrap it in the, I guess, groove section of where it's gonna go on the car, or like where it seals up onto. So you have to fit it in there. And I guess what it does is creates kind of like a barrier or gap for the seal part. I really don't understand how it works, but kind of just go around, make sure it gets in there. And I know you're supposed to like overlap a section so you have like a good starting point, because you have to like pull it and like push it in at the same time. So yeah, we're gonna try to see how well that works. All right, so we got the string in. What you want is you want the two ends inside the car. And I'm starting on this corner because it's like a really weird shape. So hopefully, that'll get going. And it's gonna be way easier with two people. So I'm gonna have my expert cameraman behind the, I guess, camera woman. Say hello to the camera. Okay, fine, don't say hello to the camera. I'm gonna have him help me push this. So, yeah. Can you try to keep pressure at the top and then push it out to the bottom too? Yeah, like that.
I think we're getting somewhere. This is either completely wrong or it's working.
Need to put the window back in. I don't have no fucking clue how we're gonna do this shit.
Kicked it out and that worked, but apparently can't kick it back in. Like rocket science. Go for it. We have no idea what we're doing. Wait, huh?
Oh, you gotta keep pressure. Oh shit. Okay, so we've had to move on to these plastic trim tools because you can't really see it on here, but what's holding the headliner up to the body is these little metal push clips. You'll actually see it better from the front when we do the front window, I guess the windshield. So when we were like pulling the string, you know, you had to pull like even pressure out towards you so it sucked it in. It hit the little metal clip and it would just cut the string. And then we tried to keep going, but it just slid right out. So then we moved to this little plastic tool and kind of had most of the pressure coming out from the outside. And it seems to be working, you know, you just kind of have to work the tool, but not really left-handed, so this is kind of different. But as you can kind of see, it's working a little bit, so. Of my handy dandy camera person, cameraman, woman, whatever they want to be called. Fuck a cameraman, screw it. Patriarchy.
Fuck you.
Push on the outside so then we can just get this in and then we'll show you later. Oh, hi there. Didn't see you. Anyway, so just like that, you know, it seals up, which is, I mean, it's nice, you know, like I kind of like it almost better than the sealing types, but I feel like it's kind of more complicated than when you have to use the sealer, but I don't know. Hashtag German shit.
Volkswagen, das Auto.
Anyway, so now we got both windows in, which is pretty sweet. So now all we have to do is do the big hatch window in the back, and the front windshield in the front, naturally. And then it should be good to go.
What are you doing, weirdo?
So now we're putting the front windshield in. We took the glass out because I figured it might be easier. The issue with the front windshield is that, as you can see, it has these tiny little teeth going over freaking everywhere. So we tried putting the windshield on first, but the gasket on with the windshield, but that didn't quite work. I'm gonna need this back under my steering wheel, thank you. So we're trying to put this gasket in first and then just try to pop the window in. Yeah, and now you know him as the one, the only Ukraine train. Woo! Gonna help with this shit. Freaking G35 master, freaking Fisker master, which you know, that's the ride right there. Look how cute it is. Woo. Only puts out about 500 horsepower. So cute. So cute. All right, well, we'll get back to it. I don't want to make him do all the work.